that. No, I'm just removing.
You got your RPM fixed from the Vito?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the RPM, yeah. We got the computer. We had it like for 2 weeks, like that, a week. Me dijo que si no sé, no sé cuidarlo, si no sé. Dice que si puede dejar tu carro ahí en la casa. Es lo que dice que tiene ahí.
Like right there. It's like all tangled up. This one is good.
Damn, bro, I don't know.
What?
You know what? Just put this, look.
What? No, it's good. Why?
I have a jacket right here, bro.
Oh no! Don't even worry.
See?
Damn! Don't even worry.
Just put it on, bro.
Bro, Rodrigo, that's.
Just put it on, bro.
Nah. Hey, you lost the thing.
Oh shit, my car.
Yeah.
You don't want to get sick, man. Just a poncho.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to do this.
You don't want to catch pneumonia.
Yeah, that's true.
So this ball joint has to come down on that one.
The oil change.
It's out. Yeah, so this goes to VITO'S garage, you know. There we are. That. Now, can I remove this guy? Ooh, there it is. Yeah? You sure? Still good meat? And stuff, you know. Alright, you ready?
For what?
For the new axle to go back.
Oh, yeah,
There she is.
So what is the connection there?
I wonder how this happened. This is crazy. See how it's like tangled up and it's just like there's a rip right there.
For this? Or no?
Oh, actually, I don't think there's a core for this. Hey, but you can just keep it for extra. Why not? You know,
for extra,
you could, or you could just toss it. I guess. You know.
for extra, like
No, like just in case. You know. I mean, this is actually still good. Like, if you replace this boot, because they sell boots, you know, this is still gonna be okay, you know. But hey, you know, like we got this new one. You have, you know, it was like $75, right, or something like that, and you know, lifetime warranty, everything. So, just put it back on.
Put it in, bro.
I'm gonna make sure I put more grease in there. Also, that guy.
I don't want my car to be. I want it to be good. You know?
Yep, that's right.
Just keep it running good.
Keep it good. You could do that.
Yeah. Sell it for what, like?
Probably not much. Yeah, maybe 50. Yeah.
Like $40.
All right, so I'll just put the anti-seize in here nicely. And right there, the most important thing.
If you have a recycling thing, you get most of it.
It's where it.
You do recycling? Do you do it? Oh yeah, well take it. No, I don't need it. Just take it. You're gonna get money. Just take it.
It's all.
Cause if I take
Also,
it, I'm gonna throw it away. I don't have time to get
ball
it
joint.
I work a lot. You know?
all that stuff.
Because there's people that do recycling too. So,
Yeah, fresh parts. Don't you like it? It's amazing.
no, but I don't get this. Like, why is this rubber here? And I don't have
Well, this is like factory. They put it on so it probably doesn't. I'm not sure. It probably doesn't rub on something, but it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
It's just there. It's like a rubber piece. That's all. Oh yeah, over here it's actually.
They cut more. They cut like
Yeah.
120, 110.
That's right.
The guy, he was like, the guy told me, he was like, for I don't know.
Yeah, you have to remove the ball joint basically.
We paint my color pieces. Yeah, what color is it? White. White.
Right.
We replace them. I'm gonna get some better brake pads that won't like
Brand new.
get them like all black. Oh, because those are, I got those brake pads for.
Oh, the back? We could check them, yeah. See how they are.
Not today, bro.
Or yeah.
Yeah, next week.
Alright, that's. Yeah, we'll see, maybe. Yeah. Sure. Alright, just gotta tighten this all the way. Put some more. This, it never. Nice.
Good year.
Yeah, you can get those.
Yeah, why you get tire shop?
Oh, well, Keegan tire shops, they have them back there. Yeah, well, Keegan tire shop.
Nice.
Have you been there? Have you shopped there?
No, I just seen.
Yes.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do, Rodrigo. Let's just take it for a test drive. Just drive around really quick, make sure everything is good.
Me? Or you?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. And yeah, so that's done. And then we're gonna get your drum off
Just checking.
to check, yeah, the brake thickness.
The fronts are still good. This is the second
Yeah.
time. Check.
Yeah. Nice. He's gonna test drive it, see how she does. It's not raining so bad yet.
That's a nice sound.
Yeah, it sounds nice. It's got that, he did some mods to the muffler. Your horn, just maybe pull a little closer. And then let's check the horn too. Alright, so the parking brake is released, Erwin?
Yep. How do I do it?
So this, you just grab this hammer and the hammer around the circumference.
Okay. Just
It should come off, yep.
But this is still new. I should put an anti-seat, right? Or
You will later. That's good, that's good.
Leave it on?
No, you can turn it off. Alright guys, so there's Rodrigo over there. He's leaving and I got the axle replaced and ooh, it's been a long night. Actually we had to go back to the parts store to get a different axle because the axle that we got was the wrong one, so we had to go back to the store and luckily the O'Reilly was still open. It was like 10:30 p.m. So anyways, the axle's replaced, it's all good, and I also fixed the horn. The horn was actually an easy fix. I pulled I looked at the fuse block and actually what was wrong with it is the relay for the horn was in the wrong spot. So I just reconnected the relay, the right spot, and that's it. After that, everything is perfect. The horn works.